Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cleaning service businesses. As a cleaning service provider, you got many queries of your customer regarding book appointment or the types of cleaning you are providing to them. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cleaning service businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of cleaning services. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Freshness Clinic. Hi there, we are so glad you are here. Whether you need a sparkling home, a spotless office or a one-time deep cleaning. While providing me 3 different options such as book appointment, cleaning type and support. If I'll click on book appointment, then it will respond to me like this. If I want to know about the cleaning type that are available in this cleaning services, then I'll click on this button. See, the bot will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different types of cleaning, that is home cleaning, deep cleaning, office cleaning. If I'll click on office cleaning, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one book now option. If I'll click on this option, then my appointment is confirmed. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our cleaning services, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. After that, I'll give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action, you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side, you can see two buttons are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my customer sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple types of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. After that, now I want to enter one welcome message for my customer for sending a message in my WhatsApp business account of cleaning service. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and entering the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I also tell my customer to tap the below given option. So here I am providing some options to them. For this, I'll click on this plus add button. So it will provide me one enter text box where I wrote my first option as book appointment. The second button I'll write as cleaning type. And the third button I'll write as support. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. See, it is connected. After that, when my customer wants to book an appointment in my cleaning service, then they will click on this button. For this, my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the booking appointment details in my cleaning service in this enter box. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book appointment to the message where I wrote the details regarding the booking appointment in my cleaning services. The second one is the cleaning type. If my customer wants to know about the types of cleaning that I'm providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the types of cleaning that are available in my cleaning service businesses. Here I write it. While at the end of this, I'll tell my customer to please choose one of the option below. So here I am providing some options or types of cleaning for my customer. With the help of this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box. So the first cleaning type that are available in my cleaning service is home cleaning. The second cleaning type that are available is deep cleaning. And the third cleaning type I'll take is office cleaning. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of cleaning type to the message that I wrote for my customer. Now, if my customer wants to book an home cleaning, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. Select media type as image and upload one image of home cleaning that I am providing to my customer. It sounds impactful and interesting for them. Here I uploaded an image. It will provide me one enter caption box where I can write one caption as home cleaning. Here I write it. After that, I'll add one book now button for my customer so that they can book home cleaning service. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write as book now. After that, when my customer wants to book the cleaning option as deep cleaning, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. So I'll select a media button, drag this message box here, select media type as image, and upload one image of deep cleaning that will be provided by my cleaning services with the help of this button, and upload one image from my gallery. Here it will upload it. In this enter caption box, I'll enter one caption such as deep cleaning. Here I write it. I'll use this asterisk symbol for sending the message to my customer WhatsApp number in the bold format. After that, I'll add one button for my customer that I'll name as book now, so that if they want to book the deep cleaning service from my cleaning services, then they will click on this button. Here I am adding book now button. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of deep cleaning to the message where I wrote the details about it. The third one is the office cleaning. If my customer wants to book the office cleaning services from my cleaning service, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image with the help of this button. See, image updated successfully. Here I'll enter caption as office cleaning. Here I write it, and I want to add one button for my customers so that if they want to book an office cleaning service, then they will click on this button. For this, here I am adding one button by clicking on this plus add button. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of office cleaning to the message where I wrote the details. Now, if my customer wants to book any of these services, then my bot will respond to them same. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the booking confirmation details for my customer. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle book now to the thank you message of booking appointment in my cleaning services. I'll connect this book now button also to this, and this button also to this. Our bot will respond to them same. After that, when my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my cleaning services, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button and entering the customer support details of my cleaning services in this enter message box. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support, drag a line and connect this line to this circle so that it will connect it. Our flow is completed. After the completion of our flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will respond to your customer instantly, automatically. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am sending one message to my WhatsApp business account of cleaning services. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Freshness Clinic. Hi there, we are so glad you are here. Whether you need a sparkling home, a spotless office, or a one-time deep clean. While providing me 3 different options such as book appointment, cleaning type, support that we were written here. See, book appointment, cleaning type, support. If I click on cleaning type, then it will respond to me like this: home cleaning, deep cleaning, office cleaning that we were written here. See, home cleaning, deep cleaning, office cleaning. If I click on home cleaning, then it responds to me like this while providing me one book now option. If I click on this, so this bot will automatically confirm my booking. If I click on support, then it will provide me the contactual details of this cleaning services. So this is how our bot will respond to our customer instantly. You have to follow the step-by-step direction that I'll teach you in this video to create this type of chatbot for your cleaning services businesses.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.